Imagine a world where machines understand us. Not just understand, but talk back. They could write our stories, answer our questions, even compose our music. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the age of artificial intelligence, and it's happening now. Google's entry into the AI chatbot arena is Gemini, a relative newcomer launched in late 2023. Developed by Google AI, Gemini was designed to be a powerful and versatile language model. It boasts an impressive suite of capabilities, including text generation, translation, and even code writing. One of Gemini's key strengths is its integration with Google's vast ecosystem. This gives it access to an unparalleled amount of data, potentially making it one of the most knowledgeable AI models out there. Imagine asking Gemini a question, and having it instantly access and process information from the entirety of the Google search index. Although still in its early stages, Gemini is rapidly evolving. Google is constantly updating and improving its capabilities, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. With its access to Google's resources and its constantly evolving nature, Gemini has the potential to become a major player in the AI chatbot landscape. ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, burst onto the scene earlier, captivating the world with its ability to hold human-like conversations. Built on a massive data set of text and code, ChatGPT can generate remarkably coherent and contextually relevant responses. Developed by OpenAI, a leading artificial intelligence research company, ChatGPT quickly gained popularity for its versatility. Users found it surprisingly adept at tasks ranging from writing poems and scripts to generating code in multiple programming languages. ChatGPT's ability to adapt to different writing styles and tones made it a valuable tool for writers and content creators. It could be a witty conversational partner one minute and a serious analytical assistant the next. Despite occasional inaccuracies and a tendency to sometimes hallucinate information, ChatGPT remains a significant advancement in AI, demonstrating the potential of language models to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Both Gemini and ChatGPT are built on a foundation of large language models, or LLMs. These models are trained on vast datasets of text and code, allowing them to learn patterns and relationships in language. The process of training an LLM involves feeding it massive amounts of data and teaching it to predict the next word in a sequence. Through this process, the model develops an understanding of grammar, syntax, and even semantics. The sheer scale of these models is staggering, often containing billions or even trillions of parameters. This complexity allows them to capture the nuances of human language and generate remarkably human-like text. While LLMs represent a significant leap forward in AI, they are still under development. Researchers are actively working on improving their accuracy, reducing biases, and expanding their capabilities. At the heart of any chatbot's conversational ability lies natural language processing, or NLP, a branch of AI focused on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. The goal is to make interactions with AI feel as natural and intuitive as talking to a human. For a chatbot to excel in conversation, it needs to master several key aspects of NLP. These include understanding the nuances of grammar and syntax, recognizing the sentiment and intent behind words, and generating responses that are both coherent and contextually relevant. Both Gemini and ChatGPT leverage sophisticated NLP techniques. They can analyze your input, decipher what you're asking, and formulate a response that makes sense in the context of the conversation. But how do they actually perform in practice? Early reports suggest that Gemini excels at adapting its communication style based on the user and the context of the conversation. Whether you need a formal response for a professional email or a casual chat with a friend, Gemini aims to mirror your tone and style. This adaptability stems from its access to Google's vast and diverse dataset, allowing it to learn from a wide range of conversational styles and adapt accordingly. However, it's important to note that since Gemini is relatively new, its full conversational prowess is still being explored. Some users have noted that Gemini occasionally provides overly concise responses, lacking the natural flow of a human conversation. This could be attributed to its emphasis on accuracy and efficiency, potentially sacrificing some degree of conversational fluidity. As Google continues to refine Gemini, it will be interesting to see how its conversational abilities evolve. Will it manage to strike the perfect balance between accuracy, adaptability, and natural flow? ChatGPT has garnered significant praise for its ability to engage in captivating and surprisingly human-like conversations. Its strength lies in its vast training dataset, which allows it to generate creative text formats, from poems and code to scripts and even musical pieces. Users often highlight ChatGPT's knack for storytelling and its ability to maintain a consistent personality within a conversation. This makes it particularly engaging for creative writing exercises, brainstorming sessions, or simply having a casual chat. However, ChatGPT has also faced criticism for occasionally generating inaccurate or nonsensical information, often referred to as hallucinations. This highlights the ongoing challenge of ensuring factual accuracy in AI language models. Despite these limitations, ChatGPT's conversational abilities remain impressive. It has undoubtedly set a high bar for AI chatbots, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in human-computer interaction. A crucial aspect of human conversation is the ability to remember past interactions and use that context to inform future responses. Without this ability, conversations can feel disjointed and frustrating. Both Gemini and ChatGPT possess some degree of conversational memory. They can recall previous messages within a conversation thread and use that information to provide more relevant and coherent responses. However, their memory capacity is not infinite. As conversations grow longer and more complex, they may struggle to retain all the relevant details. Improving the long-term memory and contextual understanding of AI chatbots remains an active area of research. As these technologies advance, we can expect even more engaging and natural conversations with our AI counterparts. Creativity, often seen as a uniquely human trait, is the ability to generate novel and valuable ideas. It's the driving force behind artistic expression, scientific breakthroughs, and innovative solutions to everyday problems. But can AI, a creation of human ingenuity, possess this spark of creativity? Can it transcend its training data to produce something truly original and meaningful? Both Gemini and ChatGPT exhibit remarkable abilities to generate creative content. They can write stories, compose poems, and even produce computer code, showcasing a surprising grasp of language and structure. However, the question remains, are they genuinely creative, or are they simply mimicking the patterns and structures they've learned from their vast datasets? Let's delve into their creative and problem-solving capabilities to explore this intriguing question. Early assessments of Gemini suggest a knack for creative writing, particularly in mimicking different writing styles and genres. It can produce a sonnet in the style of Shakespeare one moment and a sci-fi short story the next. However, some critics argue that Gemini's creative output often lacks the depth and originality of human-crafted work. They point out that while it can imitate styles effectively, it sometimes struggles to generate truly novel narratives or unexpected plot twists. In terms of problem-solving, Gemini leverages its access to Google's vast knowledge base to provide solutions to a wide range of queries. It can assist with research, offer insights on complex topics, and even help debug code. However, its strength lies in accessing and processing existing information rather than independently devising innovative solutions. Whether Gemini can truly think outside the box and come up with groundbreaking ideas remains to be seen. ChatGPT has garnered considerable attention for its storytelling abilities. It can weave intricate narratives, develop compelling characters, and generate dialogue that feels surprisingly natural. Beyond storytelling, ChatGPT has also demonstrated proficiency in code generation. It can write code in multiple programming languages, assist with debugging, and even generate creative code snippets for specific tasks. This ability to understand and generate code suggests a level of logical reasoning and problem-solving ability. ChatGPT can analyze a problem, break it down into smaller components, and devise a logical sequence of instructions to solve it. While its code may not always be flawless or the most efficient, it highlights ChatGPT's potential as a valuable tool for programmers and developers. Its ability to translate ideas into functional code showcases a fascinating intersection of creativity and logic. Problem-solving is a fundamental aspect of intelligence involving the ability to identify, analyze, and resolve challenges. It requires logical reasoning, strategic thinking, and often a degree of creativity. Both Gemini and ChatGPT, while still under development, demonstrate an aptitude for problem-solving within their respective domains. Gemini excels at information retrieval and synthesis, leveraging its access to Google's knowledge base to provide solutions. ChatGPT, on the other hand, demonstrates its problem-solving abilities through code generation and logical reasoning within a conversational context. It can follow instructions, understand constraints, and generate solutions that adhere to given parameters. The future of AI problem-solving lies in pushing these boundaries further. Can AI models learn to tackle complex, real-world problems that require not just information processing but also intuition, emotional intelligence, and ethical considerations? Imagine a world where searching for information is like having a conversation with the world's most knowledgeable expert. Gemini, deeply integrated into Google's search engine, revolutionizes how we access and interact with information. Instead of links, Gemini understands your query's intent, delivering precise information in a conversational manner. Need a recipe for apple pie? Gemini provides one tailored to your dietary restrictions. Beyond search, Gemini powers virtual assistants with real-time knowledge capabilities. The future of knowledge, powered by Gemini, is ripe with possibilities. ChatGPT has emerged as a valuable tool for writers, content creators, and anyone looking to harness the power of AI for creative endeavors. Its ability to generate human-quality text in various styles and formats opens up a world of possibilities. Struggling with writer's block? ChatGPT can help brainstorm ideas, outline your story, and even draft entire paragraphs based on your prompts. Need to create engaging social media posts, website copy, or marketing materials? ChatGPT can adapt its writing style to suit your brand voice and target audience. For programmers, ChatGPT has become an invaluable coding companion. It can assist with debugging, generate code snippets in multiple languages, and even translate natural language descriptions into functional code. This can significantly speed up development time and make complex programming tasks more accessible. But ChatGPT's potential extends far beyond writing and coding. It can be a creative brainstorming partner, helping you come up with new ideas for products, services, or even artistic expressions. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text makes it a versatile tool for exploring the realms of creativity and innovation. The true power of AI, embodied by both Gemini and ChatGPT, lies not in replacing humans but in augmenting our capabilities. These AI tools are not meant to replace writers, programmers, or thinkers, but to empower them with new tools and possibilities. Imagine a world where writers collaborate with AI to craft compelling narratives, where programmers work alongside AI to build sophisticated software, and where researchers leverage AI to analyze vast data sets and make groundbreaking discoveries. This is the future of AI, a future of collaboration and co-creation. As AI technology continues to evolve, so too will its potential applications. We can expect even more sophisticated AI tools that can understand our needs, anticipate our requests, and help us achieve our goals in ways we never thought possible. The key lies in embracing these advancements responsibly, ensuring that AI is developed and used ethically, fairly, and for the benefit of all humanity. The future of AI is bright, and it's up to us to shape it wisely. Stepping out of the AI Coliseum, we've witnessed a clash of titans. Google's Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT have gone head-to-head in a battle for AI supremacy. The question remains, who emerges victorious? The answer, like the future of AI itself, is complex. It's about recognizing the unique strengths of each AI and appreciating their potential impact on our world. Declaring a definitive winner in this AI showdown would be like comparing apples and oranges. Both Gemini and ChatGPT are powerful tools, each with its own distinct flavor and purpose. The best AI depends on the user's needs and context. Need to research, find quick answers, or get coding help? Gemini, with Google's vast knowledge, might be your go-to. For creative writing or brainstorming, ChatGPT excels. the true magic might lie in their potential synergy. Imagine Gemini and ChatGPT collaborating for an unparalleled AI experience. The AI revolution is unfolding before our very eyes. Google's Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT are glimpses into a future where machines can communicate, create, and problem-solve. This future holds immense promise and challenges. The line between human and artificial intelligence is blurring. These AI models mimic human conversation and assist in solving complex problems. Embrace AI with curiosity and cautious optimism. Shape the future of AI responsibly and ethically. Harness its power to create a better world.